Hey, what is going on, y'all? This is Jeff with Geo Rides, and today we're doing something a little bit different. This channel is all about wheels, mainly motorcycles, but today we are at Cars and Coffee for the very first time, and I'm checking out all these rides here in Chesapeake, Virginia. Some of these are super unique, some things you'll never see, and then there's some things that are, you kind of see every day, but people have put their personal touches on them. Let's go ahead and get into the video. What you're gonna see here is all types of vehicles, man. From Ferraris to Toyota Supras. Got that Ferrari right there. That's pretty fly. You got this Supra right here next to it, all souped up. Beautiful attention to detail in the engine cab there. And also some carbon fiber. Just kind of all kinds of details in here. People really love their cars, and this is my first exposure to Cars and Coffee. These rides are pretty sweet, man. Rear engine. I love cars, man. Obviously, this is mainly a motorcycle channel, but cars are where it's at, man. You can everybody can express themselves in a number of different ways. This being my first Cars and Coffee, it's kind of cool to see all different age groups. You got kids from 5, 6 years old out here learning about cars. They're not just up in the house playing video games and all that other kind of stuff. It's really cool to see that. And you got people, upwards in their 80s. You can always do stuff with cars, just like with motorcycles. So it's really cool to see all of that out here on a Saturday morning. Everybody taking time to socialize and do all those kinds of things. It's really good to see. Your Merry Christmas card, or Grinchmas in this case. Beautiful Mustang right here. I can't imagine the amount of power this puts down. Gorgeous Roush Mustang. You're not going to miss this one in a crowd. Got some tricked out Jeeps right here. So I made a few laps around the parking lot, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the footage of some of the cars coming in. A little bit of commentary here and there, but nothing major. I just want you to take in the cars, the beauty and the effort that these folks put in. Gotta love when motorcycles are represented. When the weather gets nice, I'm gonna ride mine out. We'll see when that comes about. Got a BMW, what is this? S1000RR. I've never seen one of those in person before. That's a gorgeous bike right there. Gotta include motorcycles. That's another BMW right there. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's purple. It's pretty fly. The ride here, I got this 56 F250. That's pretty sharp and unique. You don't see those every day. I was told that this event happens every second Saturday of the month, so I'm gonna make this a regular thing to come out and check out these cars and check out videos. Stay tuned to the channel. I'll create a playlist right here. Stay tuned to the channel, and we're gonna have cars and coffee every month to add to our motorcycle ventures. I wanna thank you for watching this video to the end. I want you to like, share, and subscribe, and remember to always ride as if your life depends on it. Peace, and have a blessed day.